G'day folks. Today we're going to look at an ASKO washing machine. The model number is W6444 over here. So I'll just put it. It's a 1400 RPM machine, and the issue with this machine is that it's not wanting to heat. So we've been quoted like $354 for a replacement. That's 354 Australian dollars, which is a bit of a far cry to see what's going on. Anyway, I've had a play with the control board and checked out the heating relay. So that's our heating relay over here, which I've installed. The previous heating relay had a problem where the contacts had actually burnt out. So you can see that there's a lot of arcing on the contacts, and hence it would stop heating. So the machine was dumped for this very reason, that it didn't heat, and the fact that the control board on the 6444 costed nearly $354, which was too expensive for the customer to fix. So it's a very simple fix over here. We've replaced that relay up there with a like for like relay, and that's fixed the heating problem. And that's how you fix the heating problem. First thing to check is the heater relay for contact burnout on an ASKO W6444. Thanks. If you like this channel, please hit subscribe. Thank you.